are welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
All right. So, gentlemen, last time I met you, you were roaring lions. The prayer, are they all extant, or you have seen some more pray today?
There are still some more prayers.
Anyway, so what are your intentions today?
And when situations get hectic for the lion, it's look up and roar.
Yusuf, you are shaking your head. What does that mean?
We are here to do the impossible.
All right. Let me wish you well. The magnitude of the magnetic flux density 1 meter from a long straight current carrying wire is 2 nanotesla. Find the magnitude of the magnetic flux density 0.5 meters. Yes, right.
4 nanotesla.
Yes. Explain why, even though both phenol and ethanol contain the OH group, phenol. Yes. Right.
Phenol is more acidic than ethanol. This is because the acidity of compounds depends on the ability of the OH bonds to be polarized for H plus ions to be released, and also the stabilization of the resulting conjugate ion formed. When phenol protonates, it forms the phenoxide ion, which is stabilized by resonance. But when ethanol protonates, it forms the earth oxide ion, which is not stabilized by resonance.
Yes. A binary operation is defined on the set of real numbers excluding -1 by A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. Find the identity E. Yes. Right.
0.
Yes. I am usually quantified in very familiar units. You cannot guess what or who I am from my synonyms because ordinarily they are not close in meaning. In group 1 compounds, I have a steady number of unity. My sum in a neutral compound is always 0. So who am I? Yes, Lutrot.
Oxidation number.
Yes. I am a natural aging biological process which occurs in terrestrial, freshwater, and marine ecosystems. I am historically used in reference to the natural aging of lakes, although I am commonly used caused by human activities. I can also be a natural process, particularly in lakes. Yes, Lutrot.
Eutrophication.
You are right. I am a spin 0 charged particle. My name suggests I am the first of salts. Yes, bright.
Alpha particle.
Yes. The scalar potential in yet another region is given by V is equal to V naught cosine of Kz, where V naught and K are constants. Find the electric field in the region. Yes, Eden.
The electric field is given by K V naught sine Kz. That expression is K, or like K V naught sine Kz, K.
Yes. An LR circuit with a time constant of 400 microseconds is shorted after a steady current has been established. Find the current in the shorted circuit 800 microseconds after it attains 0.20 amperes. Yes, Eden.
2.7 by 10 to the power negative 2 amperes.
Yes. Next one. Find the stationary point of y is equal to the expression 2x plus 1 over the expression x minus 2. Yes. Eden.
The stationary point is given by, like, there is no stationary point.
Okay. Yes, which of you, Otumfo?
The slag is found on top of the molten metallic iron since it is less dense. And this is because it is to prevent the further oxidation of the metallic iron.
It's okay. If sine of x is equal to 1 over square root of 2 and cosine of x is less than 0, find x in the interval 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Yes, Bagonia.
X is such that x is equal to 3 pi over 4 radians, or x is equal to.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, Deborah.
X is equal to 3 pi over 4 radians.
Yes. A metal alloy made from aluminium, magnesium, copper, and steel has the composition aluminium 18.0%, magnesium 12.0%, copper 25.0%. The rest is steel, which is 98.5% iron and 1.50% carbon. Calculate the mass in gram of carbon in a 2.00 kilogram alloy. Yes, Joel?
The mass is 13.5 grams.
Yes. capacitor in an RC circuit with a time constant of 5.0 seconds is charged by maintaining a constant potential difference across the circuit. If the initial charging current is 10 amperes, what is the charging current after 10 seconds? Yes, Deborah.
1.4 amperes.
Yes. About 390 million years ago, our name comes from the composite word in Greek, which literally means naked. Yes, Joel.
Gymnosperms.
Yes.